Hi. So I thought I would go over this with you guys because I did have someone comment on my last video and ask about it because I had mentioned it before, but I've never really gone over it. So this is my weekly cleaning schedule, and a lot of the reason I haven't shown it is because I do this stuff kind of intermittently throughout the day. I'll take a break from work and I'll get up and I'll run the vacuum over the floor, or I'll scoop out the litter boxes or something and then go back to work. And so I'm kind of up and down throughout the day. Completing this stuff as I need breaks from sitting and I need to get up and move around. That's when I will do these things usually, unless, like the kitchen really needs a deep clean or something where it's going to take some time and then I may do it on my lunch break. But that is why I don't usually film this stuff, because I am not going to film while I'm on the clock for work, because that would be a huge conflict of interest and I'm not going to take that risk. But I thought I would go ahead and just go over it with you guys, because this is how I kind of transitioned from doing all of my cleaning on Saturdays to doing it throughout the week. And now, of course, I'm able to do this because I work from home. But even if I still worked in the office, I could potentially come home and do this in the evenings after I got home too. But I like to break it up, especially the bathroom, because that is my least favorite thing to clean. So rather than doing the whole bathroom, and I've got a bath and a half, so bathrooms in one go, I break it up into bits. So Mondays, I always start with throwing in a load of laundry in the morning after I get up. And then most of my stuff, I actually hang dry or lay flat to dry rather than put in the dryer. So it's on Tuesday that once that stuff's all the way dry, that I will then put my laundry away. And then litter boxes, and I've got vacuum. I should really probably change that to floors. But I do those 3 times a week. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And for the floors, I have hard floors with rugs, so I don't have any carpet. Well, I do in the basement, but not on the main level. But I still have a vacuum that will do both things, and then I don't mop 3 days a week, so that part is kind of as needed. But that's the whole house all the way through from one side to the other. I get all the floors, and then watering my houseplants is a Tuesday thing. Wednesday, I have tidy the bedroom and office, which essentially is just like a declutter, because the rest of the chores throughout the week, like, floors, for example, I'm going to hit the floors in both places on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I have dusting on Thursday, so I'm going to dust everything in those rooms on Thursdays. So it's really just kind of decluttering, putting things back in their place, because those are both kind of dropping grounds. I'll drop stuff on my desk or on my dresser in my room. So kind of keeping that stuff cleaned up. And then also on Tuesdays, that's when I do the toilets and the sinks in the bathrooms. And then Thursday, I clean the mirrors. And so that basically just leaves cleaning the shower, which I'll do on Friday, because my hair washing days typically are Monday and Friday. Here lately, I've been washing my hair on Thursdays instead. I don't know why. It's just I decide that's when it's ready to be done. But I will clean the shower while I am in the shower. And I do it on a hair washing day because my hair is going to get wet and everything anyway. So that way I can kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone, because me being short as I am, it's a lot easier to clean the shower from inside than trying to lean over into it. And I also don't use harsh chemicals. So I use borax or washing soda to clean the shower. And it is an antifungal. So like for keeping mold at bay, it works for that without being a harsh chemical like bleach. And then on the occasion that I need to clean my caulk because it's starting to get discolored, I will just use that, and then also some hydrogen peroxide with the toothbrush and clean that. So that is really the gist of my cleaning schedule. Of course, I've started the kitchen this morning. I'll do litter boxes and floors throughout the day. I really need to mark that off because I already washed my hair yesterday. So that has actually been done. I'll go ahead and just do that while I'm at it. And then the last little thing I put on here is just a little health board, because there are certain supplements and things that I do each day that I want to keep track of. So I've got my iron and B12 supplement, which honestly is about every other day, because the B12, there's so much in it that I don't need a full pill every single day. And iron, I don't really need. I just take it to kind of help with my hair. And then calcium and Brazil nut for selenium every day. Green tea I do for antioxidants every day. And then apple cider vinegar water I do every day as well. Apple cider vinegar is a probiotic, but also my great-great-grandmother used to drink a glass of vinegar water every day. And that woman lived to be 102 years old. And even then, she only passed because she caught herself on fire, which I know sounds insane, but didn't have health problems or anything like that. And that was something that she did religiously. So if it worked for her, who am I to knock it? So I'm giving that a try as well. But that's it. That's my list. That's my cleaning schedule. Now I have like seasonal things like opening up all the windows and vacuuming out the sills and giving them a good wipe down inside and out, and rotating mattresses and vacuuming out my furnace, stuff like that. I have like a little spreadsheet that I keep track of seasonal stuff that I'll do like every 6 months. So I've got the other deep clean things as well, but this is just my basic weekly cleaning. So I hope that answered any questions. And if you still have others, feel free to ask down below. Hi, I'm home, and I was just checking the weather on my phone for like the umpteenth time today. So if you were around back in July, whenever we went to the orchard during peach season, and they had zinnia fields, and I went and I took a whole bunch of video footage of all of the zinnia fields and the bees and the butterflies and all the lovely stuff that they have over there. And I put my camera back into my bag, and I had forgotten to turn it off. And by the time I got home, every single bit of footage was completely wiped from my camera. And so I said at that time that, worry not, we will get a chance to go back again in September. It's apple season and it's sunflower season. So we'll have sunflower seeds that are all in bloom too. And lo and behold, that is this weekend. That is tomorrow. And of course, this is the weekend that a tropical storm would hit Louisiana and make its way up to us. And it just, a hair north of us is where it stops and kind of dissipates. So on the drive tonight, where I meet my ex-husband to drop off Logan, there was no rain at all. So within about, 45 minutes from here, it stops. But here, it is going to be dumping on us again tomorrow. And checking the hourly forecast, the absolute heaviest part of the day for rain is right during the time that we're going to be at the orchard. So I'm still going to take my camera equipment along with fingers crossed that we'll get lucky and we'll get a chance to go out into the flower fields and get some footage. If it's maybe just sprinkling a little bit, I'll probably still take the camera and try to get some footage. But if it's raining, there's no way I'm going to be able to do it. So I'll just use my cell phone and get a little bit of footage inside the actual shop there, and that'll be it. And I will be very disappointed because it'll be another year before I'll be able to share it. Well, not quite a year, but at least 10 months anyway, because the next time that we'll go back, that they will have flower fields in bloom and open, will be next summer when we go back for peach season again in July. So it looks like Rendleman Orchard has been a big fail for us for getting any kind of footage to share with you guys, but that is the plan for tomorrow anyway. We're still going over there regardless to get some apples and probably some apple butter and whatever other products. So they do have also a little thing of mums out, and they have the best prices on mums. It's $10 for a mum that's like this big around. So we'll get those too while we're over there. But anyway, I am going to wrap this up for today. I'm going to get my book out and do a little bit of reading and then go to bed because it's already 8:15, and after that drive, I'm tired. So I will see you again in the morning. Yosemite. Wow. Hi,
Well, there's 3 plants in them, so you get 3 colors.
Oh, okay. You're paying
I like the deep purple like these here. They're gonna bud out, right? They'll be like, yeah, there's hundreds of flowers.
No, I think I'm good. Anything you want for me?
Okay, can I like turn this into a library? That would be perfect. This is my dad's car, one of his many.
Is that the same one yours was?